How to add friends in Last War survival game. Now in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can add friends that you can play with or you can visit their camps on a Last War survival game. But before doing this, make sure that you have updated your Last War survival game via Google Play Store or any app store that you use on your mobile device. So it's very easy. All I have to do first is of course open up the game and make sure that you're logged in. Now, at the top left, you should be able to see your avatar or your profile icon. Tap on that, and then you will automatically be redirected into your profile. Now, you must at least reach level 10 first from the barracks that you have for you to be able to manually follow or add friends. It's actually the lower right feature here that says follow. You simply tap on that and you should be able to follow any friends that you would like to play with on this game. And that's it. That's how you add friends in Last War survival game.